Hi guys, I hope you're all good. This is your boy Alfred Lyon speaking, Blue City Forex. The author of Asian Vacation Strategy when it comes to indices. So, guys, we're trading Nas 100 and USA 30 from in the morning. We're trading the London session. So, the purpose of this video actually it is to update on Nas 100. But before that, let me show you something real quick, guys, on what we have been up to. Um, on my Telegram group, I've like since yesterday we've been trading. Okay, with yesterday we traded USA 30. This was the okay fine. This was the link for the YouTube. So this is where I started. Like yesterday, this is where we started. I sent this analysis that it's a sell on USA 30, and then these are the updates for the trade, and then this was the completion for the trade of USA 30. This was yesterday. We took one trade on this position, of which we managed to capitalize. And today is the 12th of April, and I sent the Asian vacation opportunities that I managed to analyze based on my strategy, guys, that I use to trade London session. Remember in the last video I told you about it that I have a strategy that can determine the direction for the London session. You understand? So I sent this analysis in the morning, which is USA 30 and Nas 100, and these are the updates for the Asian vacation strategy. We managed to win, guys. We managed to win, and even on Nas 100 we managed to win. So as like I said before, guys, that if you would like to join the group, I always leave the descriptions on my videos. I will always leave the description with links that can lead you to join the group. Okay, so without any further waste of time, guys, these are the current analysis that I send, and they are still on profit. However, what I do most of the time is that I tell people to take profit when the structure is done, like when the top of the structure has been reached. For an example, this is where I expect people to start taking profits and looking their profits, because of market can turn from here. But for now, guys, seems like we are having a bit of a pullback right there, because the market is breaking out of this structure. On my side, and by my view, I wouldn't say that Nas 100 is ready to buy. So this was just for the London session purpose. This trade was for London session. Let me quickly remove this, because of I want to give updates on Nas 100. I want to give updates on Nas 100, guys. So remember on my previous video, let me remove this camera, it's not necessary. Remember on my previous video, guys, the one that I posted, that one that I uploaded on Sunday, it was Sunday or Saturday. Yeah, the previous one. I had analyzed Nasdaq from this price. It was still here, because this is where the market closed last week. It was still here, and I mentioned that in this area we have a descending channel, of which is this one. We have a descending channel, and what I said is that if ever the market gain enough strength to play within the channel, the market is going to go up and come down, because of this is going to be our next stop for Nas 100. And I said this is because this is a right shoulder prices, reflecting the previous prices, which we say it's a left shoulder. So it was not a must, but then possibly the possibilities for the market to come here were very much high. And another thing that I mentioned is that if ever the market is going to break down, it will have to retest there and then go to the downside. So you will have to look which opportunity is best at your that correspond your trading plan, that correspond with your style of trading actually. So this was the bigger picture of Nas 100, that it needs to come here. However, we managed to trade in the morning the London session. So, guys, moving forward, moving forward from the previous video, this is what's happening right now. The market will have to, it won't just like shoot to the upside. You understand? It won't just shoot to the upside because of a lot of people know how to trade the head and shoulders pattern. Most people prefer to trade head and shoulders pattern when the market has crossed the neckline and retested it, and then they trade the continuation. You understand? So what about this space here? What about this space here? All of this space, I know it's risky. I know it's not like, most people don't consider it to be a good approach to trade the right shoulder, but then on my side, I do advise people that as long as you can spot the left shoulder, guys, as long as you can be able to see the left shoulder, you can be able to see that head area. Possibly, in most cases, this is going to be a right shoulder. However, you are not advised to just jump into the market and trade the right shoulder. You are advised to look for further confirmations on whether the market is reversing so that you can start trading the buys. So this is what I'm going to say right now, guys. The market won't just go up. The market will need to play and give us those kind of tricky reactions. You understand? Take people out who will try to buy at this area. Will try to buy at this area. The market will be taking them out and all those things just before we shoot to the upside. And another thing is that I highlighted last week is this ascending channel that it needs to be broken above, retested so that we can continue and go up. This thing needs a what's this? Um, Proper monitoring skills. Like if you have monitoring skills, you know that each and every 1 hour you check, or each and every 2 hours you check, based on the experience on Nasdaq, that I know at 3:30 it will move this way. I need to check the market, what it's going to do. At 8 o'clock it will be moving, 10 o'clock. So those are the monitoring skills that you must have. Understand, guys? So if ever the market is going to break below right here, we'll be looking the market to come and test this previous support right here. Understand? So yes, guys, these are the updates that I wanted to give you about the market. So let me quickly highlight the trade that we took on. How did we manage to spot the trade? How did I manage to give that signal out to the public group? Okay, guys, so this is what's happening right here. Remember, I told you that the strategy that I use, it's called Asian vacation strategy, and I'm the author of the strategy. I would say that I'm the founder, and how I managed to get the opportunity to trade the buy on this support. Remember, this has become our support area, and on our support area, we expect to buy. Of course, guys, this year, this period right here, from here up until 8 o'clock, this area right here, this is the Asian vacation. Okay, this is the Asian session. This is the Asian session, guys, where I am looking to get my structures that I can trade forward for Asian for London session, I meant to say. So this is what I found out, guys. At first, I analyzed something like this, and it was around 7 o'clock. It was around 7 o'clock when I found this analysis, guys. So we couldn't trade because of now the market did not give us enough opportunity to enter our buys around here. So I had to readjust my analysis to something like this, whereby I saw the market breaking out and giving us this retest. And this is where we started taking our buys. You understand? This is where we started taking our buys. However, we had this pullback right here, of which I mentioned on my previous video that I do have a 1 minute strategy that is able to give the pullbacks opportunities to trade the continuations and all those things. So let me quickly highlight this area, guys, that I was able to understand that the market now it's going to be bullish. We have this channel right here, guys. We have this channel. Remember, this is a 1 minute pullback, and our first buy was here. our first buy was somewhere around this breakout and retest, and this also, guys, was another opportunity to enter buy. But I did not say told people to like keep on buying, because of we need to understand the risk that we take within the structure. So this was the impulse for this correction, guys, and this was the continuation for it. You understand? So this is how I managed to come up with the signal that you are seeing on this Telegram group right here, guys. This was it. If you can look properly, this was it. This is USA 30. Okay, where is Nas100? This is Nas100 USD. So you understand, this is where I started telling people that you can buy Nas100, and these are the results for it, guys, and it's still on a profit. But I always tell people to take profits at the end of the structure, because of the market can turn from that area. The market, it was just a buying opportunity for the London session. So guys, that is that, guys. That's what I wanted to highlight. That's what I wanted to highlight, guys. So I will be dipping more into analysis when the market give possible trading opportunities on this area right here. I will be uploading more videos if the opportunity appears right here, guys. Okay, so we are expecting to buy. Keep that in mind. So this is your boy Alfred Lion. You already know what it is, guys. So this is the end of the video. I will be uploading more content, guys. Stay tuned on my channel, and trade safe for the whole of the week. Peace out.